What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes we'll do a quick price prediction and price analysis on Golem, or the GLM token. So yeah, basically because the volume is up by a lot. I mean, it's an old crypto. I still think the project's actually great and definitely the idea behind the project. But yeah, volume went up by 350%, so that's great. It's relatively bullish, and I mean relatively against Bitcoin and Ethereum. Because I mean 18 million volume is not that high, to be honest. It's also only 5% of the market cap, but still it is a little bit trending, so I just wanted to take a look at it. So first, two quick disclaimers. First one being that this whole analysis is based upon the assumption that we remain in relatively stable markets, and the second one, that this whole analysis is yeah, with stable markets I mean like no fundamental event or fundamental moves, because then frankly the fundamentals are still stronger than technical, so you should forget about all technical analysis you saw. Fundamentals are just stronger. And the second of all, this whole analysis is not financial advice. It's just my opinion based on a technical analysis. If you do want to use it for research, that's fine, but don't only rely on this analysis. So yeah, we're actually at quite an interesting formation with Golem, because it does look like we're finding resistance here at 36 cents. But as you just saw in the beginning, this is quite a major trend line that's coming down, which in my opinion will cause for quite some resistance again. But then looking at the whole crypto market the last few days, it was relatively bullish. So maybe we can have some more bullish momentum in Golem as well, and we might even break that. There's also quite a strong, not as strong as the descending trend line, but there's also a trend line coming up here, and Golem is definitely trending up right now, like in the short term. So I basically think two things can happen, and the first one, I mean, it's basically two breakouts are possible, and I'm basically going to explain both breakouts. So basically two scenarios based upon what happens right now. I mean, if we do manage to break that trend line, then we'll probably head up to 38 cents, find some resistance there, take a break retest off of this resistance area between 37 cents and 36 cents, and then I actually think we can get all the way up to 40 cents. So that would be my price target in that scenario. 40 cents, of course, is a psychological resistance level, and as you can see, it's quite a strong resistance level as well, around that area at least. So I do think from there we'll drop down again, but it's a good price target to aim for. If, however, we break this trend line, then I think it is more likely that we drop down all the way to 32.80. Take a break retest off of this small level right there. I mean, the best case scenario for short sellers at least would be if it lines up with the trend line again. And I actually think that then we would drop down to like 30 cents. Now, the big region is between 30 cents and 31 cents, but you get the idea. So yeah, that's actually my full analysis on Golem. From the 30 cents I do think will hold. We'll probably see some sort of a consolidation there again. So something like this, but then a little bit more volatile, I think. Just to kind of recover from those bearish moves. So yeah, that's basically my full analysis on Golem. If you do have any questions about the analysis, then please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.